this game is so boring.
There's nothing to do.
Do you want to have some fun?
Huh?
Would you like to join my games? Press the red button and you'll forget about everything. Press the green button and you'll join my game.
Whoa! Games?
What do we win?
This.
Okay, I'll play. Come on, hit the green one, Lily.
I don't know. I'm kind of scared.
Oh, yes.
What's gonna happen?
Let the games begin. For this first game, you must cut out the key without breaking it to leave the room. The time starts now.
Oh no, she's almost done.
What? Oh no, mine broke. Oh, that means I lost this round.
Almost. Yes, I got the key.
Congratulations, Max. There's a surprise waiting for you.
Oh, really? Okay.
Everything in here belongs to you.
Really? I wonder what's next.
Yeah.
This round is red light, green light.
Huh?
How are we supposed to do that sitting down?
It's a race to see who can finish your food first. Here comes the food.
Chicken wings?
That should be easy.
Stop! You have to wait for the green light. If you get caught eating when I say red light, you get the hot sauce.
Oh, I can barely handle hot Cheetos.
Ready? Green light.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's already so spicy.
Red light.
Ah!
You know what that means. Green light.
Oh. Good thing I came prepared.
Red light.
Spicy.
Haha, your turn, Max. Green light.
Oh, I'll never finish this.
3, 2, 1, stop! Looks like you both lost this challenge.
Oh.
On to the next challenge.
Snack time.
Yeah. Can I have some of yours?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Come on.
No. Eat your own rope candy.
Are you guys ready for the next round?
Already?
Yup, let's get started. The next round is a game of balance.
What?
Your objective is to cross the rope without falling.
Oh, that looks scary.
Why don't you go first? Oh, I'm glad she went first.
Maybe I could use these for balance. Almost there. Yes. Come on, Max. It's not that bad.
All right.
You can do it, Max. You're so close. Come on.
Thanks.
3 seconds remaining.
Huh? Oh. Thanks, Lily.
Yeah, of course. Wow, that was a close one, but you both made it, so on to the next round. For this round, you have to move your chips from one plate to the other.
That sounds easy.
Oh, this is gonna be a piece of cake.
Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
You have to do it with no hands.
What?
This round will test your coordination.
Oh, this is gonna be hard.
I only got one. I gotta catch up. I can't let Max win.
Oh no, she's trying to sabotage me. No.
Oh, that didn't work.
3 seconds left.
Yes, I did it.
Oh, I lost again.
Looks like Max wins. On to the next round.
Yeah.
For the final challenge, you have to solve this math problem.
Math? Oh, I didn't study for this.
Oh, I kind of remember this.
Oh, she's already solving it. Huh? Is she asleep? Oh, now's my chance to get out of here. Huh? Oh, I'm trapped. Oh. Wait, what? Oh. Now I wonder where the exit is. Huh? I'm back in the classroom. Oh, maybe she won't notice.
All done.
Time's up. Let's see who won.
Huh? Oh no.
Let's see your answers.
Here you go.
Oh.
We both know you tried to sneak out. This round goes to Lily. Will the contestants come up to see your final scores?
Oh, I wonder who won.
Yeah, man.
Okay, Max's score is 2. Lily's score is also 2. Looks like it's a tie.
Yeah!
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.